Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as process costing. Let's see this. We are doing illustration. We are doing illustration 8 on page illustration 8, product A again. Let's say that product A passes through three processes A, B and X, Y and Z. Fine. Now, they've given you the number of units. Let's start with the sum. The number of units introduced in the process. 2 units introduced. They are saying that 500 units have been introduced. The cost of the unit is given to you as 4 rupees. 500 into 4 is 2000 rupees. Fine. Now, to cost of material, for process is 2600. Next, to direct wages is 2250. Then you have to production overheads. Production overheads is also 2250, right? Same way I can do for process Y. To material is 2000. To wages is given to you as 3680. To production overheads is 3680. Okay, now let's see this. Same way I can do for process Z also. To material is given to you as 1025. Then to wages, direct wages is given to you as 1400, and to production overheads is given to you as 1400. Right? Do you get this in here? Now, let's see this. They've given you this. We've put in all the entries. Let's start. This is 500 units rupees. 500 units is the total cost. Total rupees is 2468, 8000, 9000, 9100. So the total amount is going to be 9100. Normal loss is given to you as 10%. 10% of 500 is going to be 50 at the rate of scrap. Scrap value is given to you as 2 rupees. 50 into 2 is 100. So this is going to be 450 and 9000. CPU is going to be nothing but 20. Fine. Now the actual output is given to you as 450. Since the actual output and expected output is same, you bring the figure down here as it is 9000, right? So this is going to be by normal loss 50 and 100 by process Y is going to be 450 and 9000. Carry this. This is going to be 500 and 9100. 500 and 9100. Right? Bring that down here to process X. Transfer entry, guys. So this is 450 and 9000. So this is going to be equal to, now this is 450 units. In terms of units, it is going to be 450, and rupees is 9 into 11, 11 and 6 is 17, 17, 18,200, 18,360. Right? Normal loss is given to you as 20%. So that is going to be 90. At the rate of scrap is given to you as 4. 9 4s are 36, 360. So this is going to be 360 and this is 18,000, right? So my CPU is going to be 50. Actual output is given to you as 340. Now expected output was 360, actual output is 340, that means my abnormal loss is 20. This is going to be less abnormal loss at the rate of CPU. Abnormal loss at the rate of CPU we found out is 50. 50 into 2, 100 and 1000. So this is going to be 18,000 minus 1000, that's 17,000. Transfer this is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 90 and 360 by abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is 20 and 1000 and by process Z is 340 and 17,000. Carry this is 450 and this is going to be 18,360. 450 and 18,360. Bring this down here. So when you bring this down here, this is going to be to process Y. Amount is 340 and 17,000, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20,845. 25, right? So units and rupees. Units are 340 and 17, 20,825. 20,825. Normal loss. Normal loss is given to you as 25%. This is going to be 85, right? Now, the value of the scrap is given to you as 5 rupees. 85 into 5, that's 425, right? Expected output therefore is going to be 85, 55, right? This is 004, 20,400. So my CPU is going to be nothing but 80, right? Actual output is given to you as 270, 60, 70. You are getting an abnormal gain at the rate of CPU 15 HR 120. So 1200. So abnormal gain is going to be 1200. So this is 600, 21,600. Transfer this here. If I transfer this here, this is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 85 and 425, and this is going to be 2 abnormal gain. Abnormal gain is 15 and 1200, and this is by finished stock. $270 and 21,600. Tally this.
22,025.
This is how much? 22.
025.
025, 340, 355, 355 and 22,025. Right? Again in the sum, they have only asked you to make the process account. Neither have they asked you to make abnormal loss, abnormal gain, normal loss or costing P&L. So there is no need for you to make those accounts. These are the only 3 ledgers that you have to make. Right? This finishes the sum. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you very much.